Hi guys, welcome to LV Outdoors channel. Today we're going to build a 50 clear span curved tent in our factory. And we reinforce our curved tent structure and make the inner lighting installation easier. Now follow me to see what improvement we have made. After unpacking, you can see these are the main structure profile. The scissors, cover downside rails, the intermediate purlins, center pole bottom cut. This is the center pole top cut, and this is eave bin, and these are the leg bins. It is worth knowing that we improved the intermediate purlins and eave bin. The eave bin used to have one track, but now we have 3 tracks. And the intermediate purlin, we don't have any track rails before, but now we have 2 tracks. And this improvement is to make the customer easier to install the inner lining through the track rail. Moreover, we have improved the gable frame this time. Now follow the worker to install first, and I will show the improvement when the gable frame is built. We place the roof bin and leg bins on the ground to shape a frame. We nail the 1 leg bins on the footplate, and we use this equipment to prop up the frame. And then we use the nail to connect the frame. When the frame is basically complete, we nail the other leg bin on the footplate. The top knuckle is wider than before. Please note that this hanging hole is facing inward. After one side stand up, secure one side with scissors. Please be sure to tighten the screw before lifting the frame. Otherwise, the frame may be shake. And we erect the other side of the frame and then connect the other side with the scissor. Now, as you can see, eave purlin we have 3 tracks now, and the intermediate purlin we have 2 tracks. Now the gable frame is done. We used to have 2 gable poles to divide the span in 3 sections, and each section is 5 meters. But now we have 3 gable poles, and we use 1 center gable pole in the middle, and 2 sides is 7.5 meters. And we add 2 extra gable poles 5 meters away from the center pole. So the 2 end side is 2.5 meters. And there are 2 5-meter span in the middle. The base distance of this tent is 5 meters. The entire 50 by 20 meter tent can accommodate 250 people. We built 1 bay in factory for testing. Curved tent has higher clear span, and the pitch angle between its 2 sides is larger than usual A-shaped tent. So it has better snow loading capacity and can also make the snow slide off easier. This tent is really suitable for the snowing area. As the frame changed, so does the cloth. We used to have 5-meter gable cloth at 2 end sides, but now it's 2.5 meters. So it reserves much more space for the middle. The middle has 10 meters. You can arrange 2 entrances at middle. Customer can enter the tent through these 2 entrances. It made the tent much more practical, advanced, and grand. The above is our improvement of the 50-meter curved tent. Thanks for the value proposal from our customer. We committed to provide a better tent to you. Our tent quality policy, special design, tailor-made, simple installation, and easy maintenance. At last, we're grateful for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to us. We'll keep updating the video on YouTube. Thank you. See you next time.